Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Well, let's talk about repairing it. You mentioned that you were aware of a scratch at your house. If a plank becomes scratched or dented, I see you brought one in here that's just darn near destroyed.
Yep.
I want to hear the story of that.
Okay.
But what is your option?
It's
Can
actually
you go
quite,
into a plank in the middle of the living room?
Quite simple. Yes, you take
Really?
a route. A professional would take a router, and you go in and you outline the whole plank, and you stay about a 1/4 inch away from the edge so you don't damage the tongue and groove locking system. Okay. Then you come back in, clean that lock and groove system out, vacuum it out, make it ready. Then you take the other piece of vinyl, drop it in place. You have to take off one of the edges, of course.
Okay.
So you lose one tongue and groove.
Okay.
But you can compensate that by using double stick tape. And then we also have a really high grade contractor's glue that you can use. And I promise you, we can drop a new plank in there, and you will never know the difference between the two of them.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona home.